Imagine yourself in this Acura 2017 TLX 2.4L. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Acura premium audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.